Hello everyone, welcome back Paramedical Career Academy. Today I am going to continue with second part of pharmacist question paper. So let's begin with question number 26. Which of the following is not a pulmonary use of spironolactone? Option A, pulmonary edema. Option B is hypertension. Option C, congestive heart failure, and option D is contract hypokalemia due to thiazide diuretics. So the correct answer is option A, that is pulmonary edema. Question number 27 is antihypertensive which can be used in a patient with GERD and diabetes mellitus is option A is thiazide, option B is propranolol, option C is enalapril, option D is diazoside. So the correct answer is option C, that is enalapril. Question number 28 is digoxin can accumulate in toxic level in patient with option A is renal insufficiency, option B is chronic hepatitis, option C advanced cirrhosis, and option D is chronic pancreatitis. So the correct answer is option A, that is renal insufficiency. Question number 29 is dafotilide Question number 29 is dafotilide is which class of anti-arrhythmic drug? Option A is class 1, option B is class 2, option C is class IB, and option D is class 3. So the correct answer is option D, that is class 3. Question number 30 is the vitamin which can be used for treatment of hypocholesterolemia. So the correct answer is, option A is thiamine, option B is niacin, option C is pyridoxine, option D is vitamin B12. So the correct answer is option B, that is niacin. Question number 31 is cyanide poisoning can be treated by option A is pyridoxine, option B is vitamin B12, option C is hyperbaric oxygen, and option D is 70 flumazenol. So the correct answer is option B, that is vitamin B12. Question number 32 is platelets aggregation is inhibited by all except option A aspirin, option B is clopidogrel, option C is thromboxane A2, option D is adiptibutafetide. So the correct answer is option C is thromboxane A2. Question number 33 is which of the following drug can cause thyroid dysfunction? Option A is amiodarone, option B ampicillin, option C butylamide, option D is lixrovir. So the correct answer is amiodarone. Question number 34 is which of the following is contraindicated in pregnancy? Option A is labetalol, option B is hydralazine, option C is nifedipine, option D is ACE inhibitors. So the correct answer is option D, that is ACE inhibitors. Question number 35 is LMW heparin inhibits option A factor XA, option B is factor XA and 2A, option C factor 2A, option D is factors 2, 6 and 9th and 10th. So the correct answer is option B, that is factor XA and 2A. Question number 36 is which of the following is Rho kinase inhibitor? Option A is fasudil, option B is nicordil, option C is amiloride, option D is ranolazine. So the correct answer is option A, that is fasudil. Question number 37 is Moebius syndrome is due to antenatal intake of option A is mifepristone, option B is misoprostol, option C is diniprostone, option D is methotrexate. So the correct answer is option B is misoprostol. Question number 30 is long-term use of which drug result in vitamin B12 deficiency? Option A is metformin, option B is vidaloglicnaptine, option C is extenite, option D is rapelignite. So the correct answer is option A is metformin. Question number 39 is which insulin is never mixed with other insulin? Option A is Lente, option B is Aspart, option C is Lispro, and option D is Ligargin. So the correct answer is option D, that is Ligargin. Question number 40 is Lugol. Lugol's iodine contains option A 5% iodine and 10% of Ki, option B 10% of iodine and 5% of Ki, option C is 10% of iodine and 15% of Ki, and option D is 10% of iodine and 20% of Ki. So the correct answer is option A, that is 5% of iodine and 10% of Ki. Question number 41 is which of the following is an oxytocin antagonist? So option A is ritrodrine, option B is atrociban, option C is isoxaprine, and option D is methadone. So the correct answer is option B is atrociban. Question number 42 is CAMP act as second messenger for the following except option A is TSH, option B insulin, option C LH, and option D is FSH. So the correct answer is option B, that is insulin. Question number 43 is which drug is used for pain control in cancer patient? Option A is pethidine, option B is fentanyl, option C is methadone, and option D is remifentanil. So the correct answer is option B, that is fentanyl. Question number 44 is the effect of morphine which has least tolerance is option A is analgesia, option B is respiratory depression, option C constipation, and option D is bradycardia. So the correct answer is option C, that is constipation. Question number 45 is the drug of choice for status epilepticus is option A is propofol, option B is lorpazim, option C is ethoxamide, option D is carbamazepine. So the correct answer is option B is lorazepam. Question number 46 is the drug of choice of obsessive compulsive disorder is option A is sertraline, option B is amoxicillin, option C is hydroxyzine, option D is alprazolam. So the correct answer is option A, that is sertraline. Question number 47 is schizophrenia is treated by option A is antidepressant, option B is antipsychotics, option C is antiepileptics, and option D is mood stabilizer. So the correct answer is option B is antipsychotics. Question number 48 is fomepizole is antidote of option A is mushroom poisoning, option B is benzodiazepine, option C is ethylene glycol poisoning, option D is organophosphorus poisoning. So the correct answer is option C, that is ethylene glycol poisoning. Glycol poisoning. Question number 49 is drug of choice for prophylaxis of manic attack is option A is lithium, option B is haloperidol, option C is chlorozepine, option D is carbamazepine. So the correct answer is option A, that is lithium. Question number 50 is anti-Parkinson drugs known to cause cardiac valve fibrosis is option A is levodopa, option B is roperidone, option C is pramipexole, option D is pregolide. So the correct answer is pregolide. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like, share, subscribe this channel, and please keep watching. Thank you so much.